My bro said they wanna get paid, okay, let's see what's possible. Pop the pill and I feel alright, I believe I could fly, I feel unstoppable. I get flashbacks in my mind about times we grind all night, it was horrible. It was flights and stairs, now I'm taking flights and arriving somewhere tropical. Man, I call in my phone about beefing my feet in the sand, that's a juxtaposition. He had a chain but I didn't even know, cause he came in a club with it tucked, it was hidden. I told man if you wanna be great, be patient, but it's still rough to the riches. And all of these guys with talk for the Live Yours gang would love to be in it. I state simple facts. Should I like her? The truth does hurt. My ex wants me to ring her back. I miss your call, I'm on do not disturb. I don't mind if they think it's cat. It's true, I don't wanna put them in the dirt. If you wanna talk to the kid, bring racks. Cool, if you don't, I don't wanna converse. Every time I get bad, gotta buy her a bag. So every other day I gotta buy her a purse. Horses only, I don't drive Jags. You could tell it was me from the engine. And I love sophisticated slags. Petite waist with a miniature skirt. Born to be rich, but I came from rags. She don't believe that I come from dirt. Could take you back to the exact tracks. Cats are still there, you will hear them purr. Give the green light to the gang, they'll crash. Ring the alarm, see everyone purr. Don't spare no one, even mums and dads. If I give the command, see everyone hurt. Where the fuck the function? Where the fuck is the function at? Pull up to your party when everyone burst. You came in a wagon and left in a serious hate for them boys, they boil my blood. My gang consists of loyalist tug. That bitch gotta go, she annoying as fuck. They're babies, throwing their toys at the pram. They're big men, but they still ain't grown up. If your aim is getting me down, good luck. We're alive and well and we're still on top. Sold out, but I still got more in stock. I don't see nobody else but us. If you wanna compete, put your best foot forward. I look forward to it. I swear on my life with the talk is boring. No, I ain't walking my strip, I'm touring. Back to the drawing board, I'm drawing. Back being single again, I'm whoring. Took a flight last night, this morning. Flying again, I'm soaring. I'm really at war, just spun the car, I thought that saw him. I'm conflicted, beef is bad for business. Money is more important. Got a bad bitch that'll make man fall in love, then lure him. I'm tryna leave my man 6 foot under and fuck up his health insurance. I never wanted to be the boss, but fuck it, I'll play the position. We had a drop, but the young G aborted, cause he weren't trained for the mission. I'm fucking a basketballer's wife, can't pay like I play for the Pistons. I told bro if you see them, crash it immediately and don't wait for permission. I thought it was beef, them boy they're sweet, I ain't got real enemies. My bro still spread white stuff uptown, like Philadelphia cheese. And he got dark like South Sudanese, no drought, still out in the B. Everything's gonna make sense in the end when we all get out of the streets.